Yonde Rwaria rwakethira Kenya ni babati kuhitwa ugoti kenda kumbithia thirikari gwaka nyomba cia maguri janthe na chomba affordable housing rwitite na mbere. Kamiti ya miako ndene ya mbunge nene ni kwirigirwa gukinyia muthia IKARO bia MWINGI kwaririria untu bubu. Kanjo ya mangavana OBC Attorney General ni bamwe baria berigiritwe kurita maoni. Kamiti je yugite endekithia ria watho bubu rikanenkanirwa mbere ya mbunge wona bunge bachokera kuma rutha kiumia twitite.
Kagita kalogoti bwa marei ma Nyomba burungamitwe kwa thaino ni koti kiri bimebejete ugoti bubomba gucokera kithiro bunge ikarikire mutaratara gwikira ugoti bubu kiri watho. Mwikari twa kamiti wa kibwa Nyomba Joanna Ng'eno arigwe kamiti yae ni ria kigina ikarikire mutaratara kujukia maoni kuma kire ya Kenya muthenywaru aremo na sheria munene Justin Muturi na kanjwa magavana bakethira baikinya mbele yao.
We've been doing this based on Article 118 of the Constitution, which demands Parliament to ensure that before passing any law, you must subject it to public participation. And that is what we've been doing. And even today, what we were doing today was part of the public participation. Even tomorrow, as we will be meeting the Attorney General, it will also be part of the public participation. And of course, the Council of Governors, who will be also representing the governors, will also be presenting their views based on the areas that could be touching on the counties, etc.
Kamiti eno ilugakire walaniria na Kenya mantu kathumba ni meumiretie no rito munene bwambere no agagubula Kenya benabu kimenyeka gati nyombele bakonenkirwa ni thirikari ikethirwa jike migunda ya thirikari ithiro ni thirikari nene kana thirikari ya county nkia mia kulongamira migunda ya National Land Commission ikialembela kamiti eno muthenyomde nerithite tikethirwa untu bomo gusense migunda eno kuma kithirikari kudikia ntu kiumbe.
The other issue which people raised mostly had everything to do with land. I mean, people are asking, these houses are built on government, I mean on public land. And the process of conversion sometimes takes a hell of time. And it takes around 6 months, and etc. And that is why we wanted to seek the opinion of NTHI, so that we can also have that process be done properly. And of course, many people are also asking whether we have a law in place that will stand the test of time.
Kulingana na kamiti eno ontu bonge bera umiliti ni kethirwa thirikari igekira mibango no iko gutigira Kenya balabale kire biashara na bateke misara ya thirikari ni bakugitwa goti bobo.
Most of the issues which people raised were concerning the collection of the levy, so that they wanted to know how it is going to be done in a way that it will be, it would have involved anybody who is earning either in form of salary or also earning in form of business, you see, and even those who are earning privately, because one example is somebody who is working for as a bus driver and earning over 30,000 or 50,000, and yet there is a watchman who is formally employed, earning 15,000 and is being levied vis-a-vis that one who is, all those issues were raised by the public.
Tulizunguka kama kamati mbili, moja ya fedha na ile ingine ya kujenga manyumba, na tukazunguka zaidi ya kaunti 28. Tulisikiza Wakenya na tukasikiza maoni yao na vile wangetaka tuwahudumia kulingana na hii affordable housing, na ile kitu tungetaka kuambia kila opinion walitupatia tulisikiza na itaonekana katika ripoti yetu na hakuna itakayotupiliwa mbali.
We are also considering in our report issues to do with ensuring that if you have contributed to the levy, you are able to get your money on retirement. And all these are the views that we collected, and I believe the two committees that have been tasked on this issue are going to make a report that is in favor of the public.
Amwe nogu kamiti eno iliwekile ripoti yayo ile kanenkanira bungeni nene ikalidhiri maoni monde na mendekithia ma Kenya na inaweligiro egetu kukiri bunge eno na nyumani wikirwa kilole ni Rais William Ruto na gutwika watho.
After tomorrow, then of course we will now go down to writing the report and ensuring that the opinion of the people, both the professionals and the ordinary wananchi, are looked into.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.